Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect WordPress to Google Ads. The most effective way to link your WordPress site with Google Ads is through Google Tag Manager. This powerful tool allows you to manage all your tracking codes from one central dashboard. It ensures your conversion data is accurately sent to Google Ads, helping you optimize your campaigns and achieve better results. This integration is vital for understanding user behavior and maximizing your advertising spend. To begin with Google Tag Manager, first install the dedicated plugin on your WordPress dashboard. Once installed, navigate to Google Tag Manager and create a new account and container specifically for your website. You will then add your Google Ads conversion tracking tag directly into this container. This method provides a flexible and robust way to manage all your tracking needs without directly editing your website's code. Alternatively, you can implement the tracking code directly into your WordPress site. First, find your specific Google Ads conversion tracking code within your Google Ads account. Then, access your WordPress theme's header.php file. Carefully paste the entire code snippet just before the closing head tag. This manual approach requires more attention to detail but achieves the same tracking goal. After implementing your chosen method, it is essential to verify the connection. Utilize the Google Tag Assistant browser extension to confirm that your tags are firing as expected on your WordPress site. Within approximately 24 hours, you should begin to see conversion data appearing in your Google Ads account. Continuously monitor your campaign performance to ensure the tracking remains accurate and supports your advertising goals effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.